on a global stage. And I was briefly trying to get gist of what this all means for you, especially when you started out, now knowing that you've impacted the globe. How does this feel? Did you know it would enter this stage? How did you have the courage to stay on your own path?
I didn't know that one day I will receive the award internationally, not even Africa, internationally. So that means a lot to me, and it's now the time where we need to realize as Maskandi artists that we are no longer equal with other genres now in South Africa because we are topping the charts with our music, and now our work is all over the world.
Absolutely.
So I didn't know that one day it will happen, but it happened.
Sure.
I think it's because we believe on our culture, and we believe on delivering the message to people with our music.
Yes.
We are not just singing for people to dance, but we are singing for people to receive some message.
And so speaking about that message, speaking about that studio album that you're working on, speaking about empowering and healing our people as well.